at this box. It is huge, like huge and super heavy. I might just save this box. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got in here.
I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. We unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We're getting fucked up tonight. We gon' bet you'll see far. Bet you'll see stars. Bet you elevate. Bet you need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Hypersonic, sexy product on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them dialects while I got it. Got me acting.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I still have my pipe cleaner curls in. They lasted me so long, like 10 out of 10 recommend. But it's definitely time for me to wash my hair. I've had this style in for a very long time. So we are going to try out CECRED for the very first time, and I'm gonna give y'all my honest review because I don't typically like using new products on my locks. Only like 100% natural product.
My scalp is so itchy.
So I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair just to make the washing process a little easier. Since my hair is a little longer, it's just been a lot more tedious. I'm going in with the clarifying shampoo, and this shampoo has like sugar beads or exfoliating beads. It's just to help like remove any buildup from the scalp, and I'm not really a fan of using sugar scrubs on my scalp. I just feel like it can be a little abrasive, especially for somebody who doesn't really get a lot of dandruff. For people who do have like dermatitis or just really flaky scalp, I probably would recommend this. And then I'm just going to disperse the product throughout the length of my hair, just because I was using a lot of products to style my pipe cleaner curls. So I will say this shampoo is very, very clarifying. I was getting in every crevice just to make sure I was really removing any type of buildup. And like I said, I was using styling products in my hair, so this was very much needed. Now, when I tell y'all I was rinsing my hair out and my hair felt like squeaky clean, like I could hear the squeakiness every time I rub my hand on my hair, it's crazy.
Y'all hear my hair? It feels like super squeaky clean. So it has like a slight minty scent to it. It smells really clean, really fresh. It doesn't feel much different from Dr. Bronner's, and I use the peppermint Dr. Bronner's. Dr. Bronner's, it definitely feels stripping, so like that's not something I stray away from because I want my locks to be super clean, especially if I have done like styles or put a lot of products in my hair. Plus this is a clarifying shampoo, so that's kind of what it's designed to do. The only thing that Dr. Bronner's doesn't have is that sugar exfoliating feeling that CECRED has in their clarifying shampoo. To bring back the hydration in my hair, I'm going to use their hydrating shampoo, which I think is very genius, because after stripping your hair, adding some hydration is great. And like for somebody with locks, I don't necessarily run to conditioner, but I love a good shampoo, so the fact that it comes with a hydrating shampoo is literally a plus for us lot girlies, because we're getting that hydration while also cleaning our hair. Feels super silky. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys, this feels like when I had my loose natural hair, it feels like a good conditioner with a nice slip to it. Oh my god. And it smells really clean. It's not overpowering. It doesn't have like a super fruity scent to it. I can imagine if you have like 4C hair or 4B hair, that your hair will easily detangle with this, because I have 4B and 4A and a little teeny bit of 3C in my hair, and it feels so good at the roots. Oh my goodness. This right here, I don't even want to use too much, because it literally, it feels so good. And as y'all know, she hasn't dropped her conditioner, like her just regular conditioner. She has 2 deep conditioning treatments and like a protein treatment. So she has those types of products, but she doesn't have a traditional like conditioner. If you've been following me for a while and you've seen both of my wash routine videos, I always go through and I have to go back and squeeze the roots to make sure all the buildup is out. I want to see if, without me having to do that, if it got buildup out. So right now I'm not seeing any buildup coming out of my locks. I have a little mirror right here and I'm looking. That's crazy. Let's see. Wow. Wow. What the heck? Okay. So I don't see any buildup coming out of my locks, so that means that it must have got it out with the clarifying shampoo. Y'all, that just made my wash day so much shorter. Like, extremely short. Y'all, that strip feeling is gone completely. My hair feels so light. And normally, like, when I wash my hair regular, my hair doesn't feel like light. But if you have ever done a lock detox with apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and lemon and whatnot, you know how light your hair feels after doing that detox. My hair feels damn near that light. Like, what? I'm actually blown away. Like, I'm not usually blown away by products. So these are the 2 deep conditioning masks. I, as a lot girly, don't think it's completely necessary to use a deep conditioner, especially on the length of your locks. I would say more so for the roots, maybe. We should try half and half, like half my head. So this is their reconstructing deep conditioner. This is their moisturizing deep conditioner. Typically, I don't go for thick, heavy products on my locks because I feel like it will cause a lot of buildup. This is the creamy. She's super light. Uh-oh, I'm dropping conditioner everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna apply it to my roots. I want to apply it to the length of my hair, but I'm just scared it's gonna cause buildup. All right, guys, so I just finished washing my hair. I ate a little snack because I got hungry, girl. So now I'm about to get into the oiling process. As us lot girlies know, or just anybody with natural hair, really, you know that you need to seal in the moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair with my Nema Natural products. I'm going to be using the scalp repair mist on my hair, and then I'm going to follow up with the CECRED Nourishing Hair Oil. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, so give me a sec. This is the CECRED Nourishing Oil. I'm just going to section my hair in half, and I'm going to do this side. So I have my scalp repair mist in this bottle, and I'm just going to really spray my roots, because this product is great for anyone who suffers with like dermatitis, really dandruffy scalp. I don't have dandruffy scalp, but I love to use it because it's also great for thickening your hair. And I am all about being proactive, about keeping my hair nice and thick. So I spray this all down my locks as well. And it has a beautiful like orangey clove scent. And then I'm gonna go in with the CECRED oil. Okay, it comes out super slow. So I'm gonna be using like a good little amount. Okay, it has like a slight like, I want to say like argan oil scent, but it smells very clean. Again, not a very like super strong scent, and it is a very lightweight oil. It's not a heavy oil, so I feel like that will also be good for somebody who is doing like a silk press or something. Me being the lot girly I am, I use the Nema Naturals Crown Elixir hair oil, and that has like very thick sealing oils, like black seed, vitamin E, jojoba, and Jamaican black castor oil, and it's infused with a lot of herbs. So I really like that because it's a heavier product, and I also like heavier oils on my hair, especially if I'm washing it and not retwisting it, because it helps to lay down a lot of my frizz. And I also love dropper applicators, not like that type of applicator, or so I'm used to like a dropper applicator so I could get it directly, like the oil directly onto my scalp. I'm gonna apply this oil to my edges because I do my edges a lot, so making sure my edges are nice and hydrated. So that is that. I just finished my routine with the CECRED hair care products, and it smells so good. My babies are 20 inches now, so this is my booty right here. My hair is like, the longest bits of my hair are about like right here. We got a little ways to go, but like, I know y'all see. Y'all.
Bounce on that shit, dance, dance, bounce on that shit, no hands, no hands, no hands, bounce on this, why bounce on that shit, bounce on that shit, no hands, bounce on that shit, bounce on that shit, bounce on that shit, bounce on that shit, bounce on the 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 shit, bounce on